As far as the Kenya Certificate of Primary Education is concerned, the marking of the multiple choice is complete. We are now marking Insha and Composition. And I would want to inform the nation that there was a very, very unfortunate incident in Kitui where a child was taken out of an examination room and sent home. You will recall that His Excellency the President has directed that any child who presents himself or herself to an examination center must be allowed to take the exam. All the other things can be discussed later. So we hope that the teacher who had the audacity to cause this child to miss English composition will be severely disciplined by the Regulator Teacher Service Commission. As far as the child is concerned, we at the Ministry of Education shall ensure that justice is done to that child. That child shall be graded without that composition because it was not the child's fault. I'm going to great length to state this because we are taking exams in very, very strange times. I want to re-emphasize once again that even if we catch children with phones in the classrooms, we shall confiscate the phones as they get analyzed and allow the children to complete their examinations. The consequences will be later, after due diligence. This is not the way we usually do it, but this year we are bent backwards to ensure that every child is afforded an opportunity to take an examination. I would like to thank the Fourth Estate once again for being reasonably helpful with the matters that are constructive in calming down our children. And I think that going by what we have seen, despite the fact that we're in the third wave and that many people are dying, I think the examination is halfway through. We are taking very good care of the teachers who are assembled in Nairobi right now, marking the computer and Insha, and that should any opportunity or any situation arise, it is dealt with properly. Ours is to continue to tell our children who are listening to us that this examination shall be done, remembering that they were out of school for 7 months.